Are you looking for the best longboard bearings for speed? Longboard bearings are a foundational component that directly influence speed, stability, and maintenance intervals. For speed-focused setups, the choice of bearing can affect roll efficiency, durability against dirt, and how long a rider can sustain top speeds without performance degradation. In this review, I tested a range of 608 bearings across 5 products spanning budget to premium. Product number 1. Bones Reds Bearings 8-Pack. Bones Reds are an established benchmark in the longboarding community, renowned for a balance of speed and durability. This 8-pack includes a versatile tool and uses 608-sized bearings with standard chrome steel composition and Bones Speed Cream lubrication. The set is geared toward riders who want reliable performance straight out of the box, with the added convenience of a service kit for on-the-go maintenance. The claimed attributes emphasize high-speed performance and long-lasting wear resistance, making them a practical choice for riders who value proven track records and built-in maintenance tools. In practice, Bones Reds deliver smooth, consistent roll with strong resistance to dirt ingress when properly sealed between races. The included tool suggests a focus on DIY maintenance, which is advantageous for riders who service bearings themselves. However, user reports vary on maintenance frequency. Some riders benefit from additional cleaning and relubrication to sustain top speed in gritty environments. The 8-pack size adds value for multi-wheel setups or group rides. Overall, the Reds strike a balance between performance and proven longevity with a maintenance cadence that keeps them competitive across seasons.
Product number 2. Bones Reds Bearings 8-Pack. This Bones Reds bundle improves on the basic Reds by including 4 spacers and 8 washers, addressing common fitment issues and reducing wheel runout. The bearings use a non-contact removable rubber shield design for easier cleaning, along with a high-speed nylon ball retainer. Pre-lubricated with Speed Cream, the kit targets riders who want quicker maintenance and smoother spin with fewer disassembly steps, making it attractive for those who like a near-ready-to-ride experience out of the box. From a performance perspective, the nylon ball retainers and the non-contact shields contribute to improved speed consistency and easier debris shedding. The additional spacers and washers help achieve precise wheel spacing, which translates into better lateral stability and reduced friction. Riders in urban or mixed terrain conditions will appreciate the maintenance flexibility and the kit's ability to keep wheels aligned across sessions. The downside is that this bundle remains a Bones Reds product, so while the components are solid, the overall performance still hinges on the base bearing quality and the rider's maintenance discipline.
Product number 3. Skitch Precision Fast Spin. Skitch positions this set as a premium value option with ABEC 9 ceramic-tinged branding and chrome steel construction. It includes 8 bearings, 4 spacers, 8 washers, and a carry case, emphasizing precision and fast spin. The marketing claims ABEC 9 performance rivals higher-tier ceramics with dual shields for easy cleaning. The inclusion of a storage case makes it appealing for riders who transport bearings between wheels or keep spare parts organized. In real-world testing, Skitch bearings deliver very smooth spins with good resistance to debris when shields are intact. The claim of ABEC 9 performance in chrome steel is credible for riders who want a speed-oriented ride without paying premium ceramic costs. However, the expectations should be tempered by recognizing that ABEC ratings indicate tolerances, not overall speed, which also depends on lubrication, retainer design, and wheel fit. The included 4 spacers assist with axle spacing, but ensure you check compatibility with your truck and wheel bore to avoid binding. Product number 4. Bronson Speedco G3 Skateboard Bronson G3 bearings are Bronson's premium offering, featuring innovations like deep groove raceways, micro groove surfaces, and an oil circulation-friendly cage. The design emphasizes durability and speed retention under impact, with a unique balls-out technology that reduces contact between shield and cage on impact. This package provides 8 bearings without explicit mention of spacers or washers, relying on Bronson's cage and raceway engineering to optimize spin and life under demanding riding conditions. In use, G3 bearings tend to excel in downhill and high-speed cruising where impact resistance and consistent lubrication matter. The microgroove raceways and oil in-out design help sustain high RPM and reduce heat buildup under continuous use.
The lack of included spacers or washers means riders may need to source compatible components separately, which can add setup friction for beginners. Overall, Bronson G3 is a premium choice for riders seeking top-tier engineering and robust performance, with particular strength in stability and speed retention during long descents.
Product number 5. Rapid Heart 8-Pack 608 2RS. This generic 8-pack emphasizes broad compatibility and aggressive spin with features like P5 grade zirconia ceramic balls and 2RS non-contact shields. The combination suggests an emphasis on high wear resistance and reduced friction, backed by rust-resistant lubricating oil and nylon retainers. The branding as a generic option implies a focus on affordability while promising performance sufficient for recreational and entry-level speed enthusiasts. In practice, the Rapid Heart bearings deliver solid spins with consistent performance for everyday longboard sessions. The P5 grade ceramic balls imply high hardness and wear resistance, which can translate into longer life under regular use, though the actual speed advantage may be subtler compared to premium ABEC rated or ceramic bearing sets. The non-contact shields simplify maintenance and cleaning, but longevity will still depend on regular lubrication and wheel cleanliness. This option is attractive for riders who want a budget-friendly sequence with dependable performance.